In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually like clean your coils. So it can actually save you some money, you know, a few dollars from just keep buying. Because I've been running through coils like 3 times a week, be burning out. But basically, this is a baby for the baby tank for smoke. I use it in this vape, but this one, this was my first vape, first pen. That's the pen 22. I also got a coil for that I got to show you how to basically can show you how to clean, you know, just any coil. So what you do, take this, you know, take the you gotta take the coil. Okay, I'll show you how to clean this one for the baby tank. And what you do is you just run it through hot water. Okay, you just gotta run it through hot water for about a minute or two. Make sure you run it through this side so it actually washes out all the juice and the burns. Because what actually happens is when sometimes your coil is actually not burnt. The problem is you got a lot of clogged up juice in the cord. So you can run it just the water so they can wet. So you can basically just run it about a minute. And you can see it's starting up to clear, looking better, brand new. So run it again. I think it's good enough. And what you want to do is blow, you know, put this on your mouth and just blow it from this side so it washes out all the juice. Looks clean, but we ain't done yet. We gotta put it gotta disinfect it and clean it even more. See, that's about to get clean. And once it's clean, you gotta let it dry. I'm gonna show you the next tip in a minute. Alright, so the next tip, you get apple cider or any type of vinegar. That basically just cleans out the whole you know, the whole coil and the cotton too. Get a little cup with this. Alright, let's put it in here. And open it up. And basically just gonna pour like, you know, like a little shot. Got one of these red cups over here. Like that. And what you wanna do is just let that sit for about 10 minutes. See the results. Alright, so I let that sit for about 10 minutes. It's that time now, so let me take it out and show you the results. Alright, so there it is. It's a little clear. Just gotta blow it out. Okay. Now you can see the results for yourself over here. But the next thing you want to do is just let it dry. You gotta let it dry so it actually doesn't spark up in your tank or just like, you know, causes bad flavor. But yeah, that's it. This is how you to clean your coil. Like I've been doing this for about a month now, saving you almost $30. But yeah, that's how you clean your coil. It looks brand new and it'll work again. Trust me. It's very clean, and yeah, that's just a home trick how to clean your coil at the house. If you want to save some money, I mean, it's up to you if you want to get a new coil. But ever since I started doing this, it's been working great for me. You can like do this about 2 or 3 times per coil, and that works. But comment right below and tell me what you think if you tried it. Thanks.